Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language and communication class. I hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to start Unit 3, Reading and Writing. In this lecture, we will first understand the meaning of reading, why it is important, and the different types of reading. So let's begin. Definition of reading. Reading is the process of looking at written words, understanding their meaning, and gaining information, knowledge, or enjoyment. One-line exam definition. Reading is the process of understanding the meaning of written words and sentences.
Reading methods. A. Skimming. Definition. Skimming is reading a text quickly to understand its main idea without reading every word. Purpose. To get a general overview. To save time. To decide whether the text is useful. How to skim. Read the title and headings. Read the introduction and conclusion. Read the first and last sentence of each paragraph. Ignore unnecessary details. Example. Reading a newspaper headline and first paragraph to know the main news. B. Scanning. Definition. Scanning is reading a text quickly to find specific information. Purpose. To locate names, dates, numbers, or facts. To find answers quickly. How to scan. Know what information you need. Move your eyes quickly over the text. Stop only when the required information is found. Example. Finding a phone number in a directory or a date in a timetable. C. Reading comprehension. Definition. Reading comprehension is the ability to read, understand, and interpret a passage. Purpose. To understand the meaning of the text. To answer questions based on the passage. To improve vocabulary and thinking skills. Tips. Read carefully. Identify the main idea. Understand difficult words from the context. Summarize the passage. 2. Writing process A. Brainstorming definition. Brainstorming means generating ideas before writing. Methods. Listen ideas. Mind mapping free writing. Importance. Organizes thoughts. Encourages creativity. B. Drafting. Definition. Drafting is writing the first version of your work. Features. Focus on ideas. Do not worry too much about grammar or spelling. C. Revising definition. Revising means improving the content and organization of the writing. Check. Are the ideas clear? Is the order logical? Are examples relevant? D. Editing. Definition. Editing is correcting language mistakes before submitting the final work. Check 4. Grammar, spelling, punctuation. Sentence structure 3. Paragraph writing. Definition. A paragraph is a group of related sentences that discuss one main idea. Structure topic sentence. Introduces the main idea. Supporting sentences. Explain the idea with details and examples. Concluding sentence. Ends the paragraph by summarizing the main point. Characteristics of a good paragraph unity. One main idea. Coherence, logical order. Clarity, correct grammar and punctuation. 4. Academic writing definition. Academic writing is a formal style of writing used in schools, colleges, and universities. Features formal language. Clear and objective. Well-organized, grammatically correct. Based on facts and evidence. Types essays, reports, assignments, research papers. Importance improves communication skills. Develops critical thinking. Helps present ideas clearly and logically.